Good morning, everybody. It's Larry Steiness, and I am the Crazy Options Trader. You guys ever watch basketball? Okay, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm not a sports fan, so I really don't watch a lot of basketball. But if you watch basketball, and then you see how the team drives the ball down to one side, and whoa, they made a score, yay! And then the other team was, yay! And then boo! And then yay! And then boo! And then yay! And then boo! That's the stock market. That's stock options. I know I need to explain this, and I will. What happens in stock options is because the little movements either make you a lot of money or lose you a lot of money, you get really excited or really upset for each movement. Just have patience. If you have patience and you follow the rules of trading that I have lined out for you, I promise you that for the most part, you will make money. You will make positive returns. Look, take a look at this. Now, this is just October so far, and honestly, it's only one trade. So for October so far, remember I said the other day, I said, hold on, let me go back to here. I said to you the other day, I said I'm waiting for Chesapeake. I said 615-ish. I think I got it about 620. I said I was going to get out right around 680, $6.80 that is. And look what happened. I got out right around $6.80. Here you go. I made $7,133.88 on that trade. That's one trade. It's awesome. Now, look, I have some doubters out there, and it's funny. The more and more I do this, the more and more people are saying things like, oh, you didn't make that much money. Oh, really, really? Okay, so look, I'm going to show you. I expose everything. This is my TD Ameritrade account. This is the button. I click year to date, right? Year to date. There you go. I click year to date. Here are my losses, because I did lose some money on some trades. You guys remember I talked about an Apple trade I lost a lot of money on? There it is. But look, these are all positive, 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 positive. So far this year, I made $217,082.96. Okay, do you believe me now? If you don't, I don't know what else to tell you, but that's it. So if you do know, I'm going to go from $100,000 to $1 million in 1 year next year. That's my goal. I'm taking $100,000 in a dedicated account. I'm not going to be able to add to it. I'm not going to be able to take away from it. I'm going to turn it into $1 million in 1 year. You're going to have the opportunity to watch me do that. So I want to talk to you a little bit about what's going on with me today. So here, I'm going to show you, I'm also going to expose something else just to show you real quickly. I want to show you what's going on with my Facebook, because Facebook has been killing me. I shouldn't say killing me. It's been doing the basketball thing for me. So here you go. So right now, the only thing I have left is Facebook and Ford, and I'm waiting to get out of these. I'm going in today to more Facebook. Let me tell you why I'm going into more Facebook today. Now, I made a mistake. If you could see, I don't know if you guys totally understand this yet. If you've read my book, you might. But this says that this expires October 21st, and it's a 100 call. So 100 strike price call. So I paid, wait, am I in the right account? Yeah, I paid $2 and about 53 cents for it. It's right around $2.49 is what the bid price is. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. Okay, so it's right around $2.49 is the bid price. I paid $2.53 for it. So and it expires on the 21st. Here's the problem. When I bought it, I'm going to go to my chart again. I'm going to go to my board and show you what I mean. When I bought it, right around 127. I'm looking for 131, which is exactly what I do. I told you this. I trade in ranges over and over again. As a matter of fact, I want to go over a couple of these numbers. But I trade in ranges. This is what I do. So when I bought this, I bought it right after, or really close to right after the last earnings report, and I didn't quite know what the next earnings report date was going to be. It turns out that the earnings report date is 11/2. My options expire 10/21. So here's a little bit of a problem. My problem is I didn't hold over earnings. Remember I told you, always buy stocks holding it over the next earnings period. I missed it by about maybe 10 days or so. So the problem that I'm going to have now is I may not get that 10-day run-up. So what I'm looking for is I'm looking for 126 again. And I'm going to buy the options for January expiration dates. Now what will happen is that set of options is going to make me a lot of money, because as we run up to 11/2, Facebook's going to go up no matter what. No matter what, the option's going up. I'm telling you now, no matter what, the option's going up. I told you, as I always say, make sure you don't hold them the next day. You sell them the day before, but that's fine. So I got a little bit of a problem, and again, my problem is simple, that my expiration date is too early. So how I'm going to do, And what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to look to get out. Now I've got a $3,200 profit already. I could just take the $3,200 and call it a day, and that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. I'd really like to see 10,000. I know my sell number is 131, but 10,000 would be about 129 today, and that would be it for me. But we'll see. Actually, let me just see for sure what number that would be. Yeah, so it would be around 129 would be my $10,000 profit if you look at what's going on in Facebook right now. By the way, I just want to shout out to all those people who maybe lost money in Twitter today. Be careful when you get rumors of takeovers. Same thing with Netflix. Now, Netflix is a little bit different. Netflix is a worthy stock. So Netflix might actually stay up there, even if Disney says they don't want it. I told you my prediction, that ain't going to happen. Anyway, I am Larry Steinhaus. I am the Crazy Options Trader. If you haven't already downloaded my free ebook, download the ebook. www.crazyoptionstrader.com. Follow me, make money, send me emails, tell me how much money you're making. I'm really excited for you. Have a profitable day.